Hey y'all, I'm Alex. Today I'm going to give you some tips on how you can do continuous double kicks. Now let's get started. The first thing you need to do is make sure you're comfortable at just throwing a regular double kick, which looks like this. If you need some help learning that, my tutorial and my tips video will be in the description box down below. Once you have a good hang of that, then we're going to do this one drill. Just kind of help you get the motion of doing it continuously. So all you're going to do is really low running kicks, not even worrying about turning your hips over. Just kind of kick straight up, switching your feet like this, just to kind of get that motion. Once you get that down, then start focusing on turning your hips over, and then start picking it higher and higher until you get closer to your belt level. Then we can start learning how to do it on the back. Now the next step I want you to focus on is learning how to do a triple, so being able to do 3. Most people can usually do 2 okay, but getting that third one in can be a little tricky. So what I want you to do is just focus on doing the triple, which looks like this. Okay? Now, a few things to keep in mind when doing the triple or just doing more in general is 1, you want to think of not kicking the bag too hard. If you use a lot of power, it can be a little bit harder because you're trying to really kick into it, and that can kind of slow your momentum down. You want to think of being nice and quick, nice and light, at least when you're first starting to learn this. 2, you want to stay light on your feet. If you get flat-footed while you're doing this, it's going to slow your momentum down, and it's going to be really hard to get another kick off. So make sure you stay nice and light on the balls of your feet. Think of springing up into your next kick. And last, I don't want you to think of jumping while doing your double kicks, which is going to be more like this. It's going to be really hard to get a lot of them in. Think of staying nice and low to the ground, obviously on the balls of your feet, nice and light, and switching your hips over, really turning those hips over while staying low. It's going to be a lot easier to get multiple kicks off, because if you jump, it's really going to slow it down, and you're more than likely going to come down and be flat-footed. So think of staying low, switching your kicks over, and turning your hips. But the biggest thing to be able to get this down is lots and lots of practice. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you need some extra tips learning how to do just the regular double kick, I will leave my tutorial in the description box down below. Definitely go check it out. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys later.